This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Toke Ettehadieh. Stunning one-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home located in the Vivace at Harmony subdivision. This unique open floor plan is complete with wood floors throughout the kitchen, living room, and dining room. Oversized quartz countertop in the kitchen with stainless steel appliances, gas stove and large pantry. Fully integrated with Google Home, Nest thermostat and home monitoring system. A covered back patio complete with gas grill and spacious backyard that is perfect for entertaining all of your guests. For more information, review the details below.